What is up, painters? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to be doing something very different from what we usually do. Today, I am going to be trying to follow, the lighting here is not good, a Bob Ross painting tutorial. I don't know how this is going to go, but I've done some Bob Ross paintings in the past, which I will now show on screen right now. This one is This is one of the first ones I did. I mean, it's alright, but them trees though, like, what? This is the very first one I did. I mean, it's not bad, but like, that yellow bit, you'd think it was meant to be the sun. That's meant to be the sky. This is one I did quite recently, but as you can see, these islands didn't turn out too well. They went around, which isn't very good. This is probably my favourite one that I've ever done. The mountains turned out really well, so did the clouds here. This tree was good, but these trees, I don't know. But then you got the lake. I think it looks beautiful. This is also another one that I thought went really well. You got the volcano and the forest with a bunch of trees right there. They are all the Bob Ross paintings I have done so far. But today we're going to be doing another one. I got my painting set up here. Let me just show you that. Okay, so here's my painting setup. Since I don't have a canvas, I just got like this little mat thing, and then this is since I don't have an easel, I got this little mat thing. Here's my canvas. It's 12 by 16, pretty cheap. My brushes, my fan brush, my favorite brush. There we go. Got my paints. I usually use acrylics. Got where I'm gonna mix my paints, kind of messy, and I got some water. Beautiful. So yeah, let's just get into making this painting look amazing, because I'm so good at painting. PogChamp. Okay, so to start, I'm just gonna cover my canvas in a nice shade of liquid white, because that is what you're always supposed to do when you begin, so blending is much easier. But yeah, oh wait, if you can see what's written on my hand, it just says PS5 giveaway, because yeah, I've entered one. Hopefully I win. Anyway, so I'm probably not gonna show you me painting the whole thing, because that is just not going to be easy to do, especially since I'm watching a tutorial. I'm just going to show you little bits every now and again, and then I'll show you the finished product when it's done. Okay guys, so I've just done the sky, as you can see right there, and the sea there. I give this like illusion effect that it's like far away. I also forgot to tell you the name of the painting we are doing today. It is called Towering Peaks. Go, I'll probably put Bob Ross's video in like a little card if I remember here, but I probably won't. So yeah, go do the painting yourself, but first, like the video and subscribe. I forgot to say that. And remember to finish watching me, because I'm so cool. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, so we're at the stage now where I have just dotted some happy little clouds around the sky. I've given them for a few friends. I've raised up the sea a little bit, just so it can be in correlation to the sky, because we're going to add a mountain here next. And I really enjoyed doing the happy little clouds. I used my fan brush for that. Just dip it in the white paint, and then you can make millions of clouds. Okay, gamers, I just finished adding the mountain in. I think it looks pretty good. I'm probably going to go over it with another coat of the black. But so far, I think this looks pretty good. I'm really happy with this so far. Tell me what you think in the comments. Okay, and I finished my painting. I think it's pretty good, right at 10 out of 10. Anyway, I'll see y'all next time. There's my painting. Beautiful.